I'm going to have to get, there we go. Hey guys, how is everybody? Sorry about that. So listen, you guys, if you don't think you have enough time, just please listen to my story. A lot of people have a misunderstanding of this and they think there's no way I could fit it in. I understand that because I was right there with you. 9 months ago, I was just a divorced single mom working 2 jobs over 70 hours a week, most days about 18-hour days between the 2 jobs. What I can say to you is when you're tired of the struggle, when you're just ready for something different, you put your best foot forward. And I was willing to do that. I knew about the 2-hour workday, but I wasn't really sure if I could do that. Let me tell you, I do 2 hours a day for every day the last 9 months. But when I was working, the best thing that I did is I fit it into the nooks and cranny of my day. Half an hour in the morning as I was getting ready. Then I would listen to videos while I was in the car on the way to work, on my lunch break, in between jobs. There is always time to find during the day. So no matter how busy you are, you can find 2 hours in a day. And let's be honest, we're already on social media scrolling. So why not make a little money from it, right? You're already there. So that's exactly what I did, you guys. And in 5 weeks in, I quit my part-time job. 10 weeks in, I quit my full-time salary position in the trucking industry. I finally became a stay-at-home mom for the first time in over 30 years. And by 12 weeks in, you guys, I had already earned $25K. But let me tell you something. I knew absolutely nothing about social media. Actually, my daughter put me on TikTok. That's how I ran across Michelle and purchased the blueprint. I knew nothing. I didn't even know what digital marketing was. My original plan was 3 years and I would be able to quit both of those jobs. It only took me 10 weeks. This has been such a blessing. In 6 months, you guys, I was over $65,000 earned. And today, 9 months in, I am just that short of 100K. And it has forever changed my life, my kids' lives. And I now finally get to do me. I get to put me first. I don't have to answer to anybody else. And you will quickly find out what true time freedom is all about and gain financial freedom as well. Because when you wake up to $600 in your account and you don't have to check your bank to see if you have enough money to go shopping, it changes your whole world. When you start making daily pay and you don't have to constantly worry about paying your bills, my friend, this is true freedom. You can do this. If I can do this, everything that was said against me, you can absolutely do this. Not to mention, I didn't know anything about any of it. And I have added 4 additional streams of income to my online business. These are all things that you will be taught and you will learn along the way for longevity. I will do this forever. I will never go back to a regular job. So I hope that helps anybody that may have thought they couldn't do this while they worked, because you absolutely can do this.